When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Don't find fault. Find a remedy. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. I believe God is managing affairs and that He doesn't need any advice from me. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. So what is there to worry about? An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. Time and money spent in helping men to do more for themselves is far better than mere giving.